Welcome back to GoMeds, your comprehensive medical equipment dealer management platform. Here you can sign in to access your dashboard, which provides you with an overview of your operations. With features like smart patient care, real time monitoring, and advanced analytics, you're equipped to manage your medical equipment efficiently. This is your dashboard where you can quickly see the status of your equipment management. You can track total equipment, available stock, and any pending orders at a glance. The revenue overview and growth rate metrics help you make informed decisions to enhance your performance. Now, let's dive into inventory management. Here, you can see all your medical equipment, their categories, and stock levels. The option to add new inventory and export your lists enhances your control over your supplies, ensuring you always have what you need on hand. In the product catalog, you can browse through various equipment available for sale. Each item is categorized for easy navigation, helping you find exactly what you need without hassle. Additionally, you can add new equipment to your catalog anytime, keeping your offerings up to date. The orders section allows you to manage all your purchase orders seamlessly. You can view the status of each order, including those in transit and those pending delivery. This transparency helps streamline your procurement process and ensures timely deliveries. In the quotations area, you can manage all your quotations and proposals efficiently. This screen provides insights into accepted, pending, and converted quotations, allowing you to track your sales pipeline effectively. Creating new quotations is just a click away, facilitating swift responses to client inquiries. The invoices section ensures you keep track of all your financial transactions. You can view unpaid and overdue invoices, helping you manage your cash flow effectively. This organized approach simplifies your billing process and enhances financial clarity. In customer management, you can oversee all your active customers and their details. This section is essential for maintaining relationships, tracking revenue, and ensuring customer satisfaction. Adding new customers and exporting lists is made easy, allowing for efficient management. Vendor management is crucial for ensuring you have reliable suppliers. Here, you can view vendor ratings and activity levels, assisting you in selecting the best partners for your medical equipment needs. Adding new vendors is straightforward, enabling you to expand your network. The purchase orders section keeps you updated on your procurement activities. You can track the status of all purchase orders, including those pending approval or received. This visibility helps optimize your purchasing decisions and inventory management. In the tenders section, you can manage all your active tenders and bids. This feature allows you to track your participation in various opportunities, ensuring you never miss a chance to grow your business. Adding new tenders is also quick and simple, keeping your options open. Service management helps you track all service tickets related to your equipment. You can see the status of each ticket, ensuring timely maintenance and support. Creating new tickets and assigning them to technicians is seamless, streamlining your service operations. In the contracts and AMC section, you can manage all your contracts with hospitals. This includes tracking expiring contracts and annual revenue, ensuring you maintain compliance and maximize profitability. Adding new contracts is straightforward, keeping your records up to date. The installation screen tracks all equipment installations. You can view the status of each installation, ensuring timely and efficient setup at client sites. Scheduling new installations is easy, helping you keep operations on track. Calibration tracking is vital for maintaining equipment standards. You can log calibrations and monitor the status of all equipment, ensuring compliance and safety. This proactive approach helps prevent equipment failures and maintain high service quality. In the demo and trial section, you can manage demo requests effectively. This feature allows you to track the status and outcomes of each demo, which is essential for converting leads into sales. Creating new demo requests is quick and enhances your sales efforts. The compliance section helps you manage all regulatory records. Here, you can track compliance statuses of your equipment, ensuring that all necessary regulations are met. Adding new compliance records is simple, maintaining your operational integrity. Insights provide valuable analytics on demand predictions and stock assessments. This feature helps you anticipate market trends and adjust your inventory accordingly. Utilizing these insights will help you make data driven decisions that enhance your business strategy. Analytics give you a comprehensive overview of your financial performance and service metrics. You can analyze sales, inventory, and customer data to identify areas for improvement. This information is crucial for strategic planning and operational efficiency. The Alert Center keeps you informed of critical issues and low stock alerts. You can prioritize your responses based on severity, ensuring that urgent matters are addressed promptly. Managing alerts effectively minimizes disruptions in your operations. In the reports section, you can generate various reports to analyze your business performance. This feature allows you to track completed and ongoing reports, providing insights for strategic decision making. Generating reports is straightforward, helping you stay informed. Finally, visit the GoMeds website for more information on our AI hospital management system. Here, you can learn how our platform integrates various operations for enhanced efficiency. Don't miss out on the opportunity to request a demo and elevate your hospital management today.